Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the customer support if you are a buyer in the Catawiki application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the Catawiki section, look for the customer support button and click on that. And below the help center section, click on the I'm a buyer button. And as you can see here, you can find the frequently asked questions related to the questions which applied if you are a buyer, and you can just browse different topics and get help. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.